Hello, savvy entrepreneurs. This is TouchSuite merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. Are you ready to delve into the world of credit repair businesses, streamlining transactions with modern payment gateways? In this video, we'll explore the crucial role of modern payment solutions in the fast-paced world of credit repair businesses with around-the-clock domestic support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. In the competitive realm of credit repair, accepting credit card payments isn't just an option, it's a necessity. High-risk merchant processing. Credit repair businesses often fall into the high-risk category. But fear not, specialized high-risk merchant processing services are here to smooth out your payment woes. E-commerce payment gateway solution. E-commerce payment gateways seamlessly integrate online payments, broadening your audience and enhancing the user experience. CBD merchant account. Expanding into CBD services? You'll need a CBD merchant account. Tap into the growing CBD market while staying compliant with the necessary regulations. Credit card payment services. Advanced credit card payment services offer tools to track revenue and analyze customer behavior. Data-driven decision-making is your secret weapon. Credit and debit card payment processor. Look for competitive rates, top-notch security, and industry specialization. A reliable high-risk payment processor streamlines your workflows and boosts your reputation. Online payment gateway. Modern gateways easily integrate with various platforms, saving you time and resources. Merchant processing. Efficient merchant processing reduces errors and enhances the customer experience, setting you apart from the competition. High-risk payment gateway. Don't let the high-risk label hold you back. Specialized gateways prioritize security and compliance, allowing you to operate confidently in this sector. As we wrap up, remember to subscribe to our channel. And for cutting-edge payment solutions that empower your business, visit TouchSuite's website. Thank you for joining us today.